Hello! You have gotten a kit that has a book, either this book or a National Geographic book. You also have this globe ball, and you have this little set that you can color and make a three-dimensional stand-up globe. So let's see how to make this globe. So a globe is just a map of the world, but it's in 3 dimensions. But this is very interesting craft project because it will make the globe stand up. So this is the base for the globe. So one has a slit at the bottom and one has a slit at the top. So what you want to do, and this is for anything you want to stand up, is that you take the one that has the slit in the bottom and slide it into the other one. Then you can stand it up. So it looks like this. So it'll stand like this. And here you have the globe. Now what you're going to do is after you've colored all these in and you've put the names of the countries on there, you can use this little ball, or if this is like, if there's more detail that you're looking for, you can go online and look it up. You can look in the back of this book. It has a map, and the other National Geographic book has a map, and then you could put some of those things on there, whatever you like. It's just so important to know all the places in the world that maybe one day you'll travel or you'll know people from these places. So each one of these, after you color it and you put the names of everything, maybe you want to put the oceans or maybe a name of the continent or the countries, you'll see there's a little fold line on there. And I'm going to fold it right on that fold line that's already there. And then what you do is, it's really simple. You open up your base. And then you're going to get your glue stick and you put your glue all on the back. And then you're going to put it on one side here, so that it will stand up, and that will be one side. And then you're going to do it on each side. So you'll glue another one here and another one here and another one here. You want to make sure that you put the right ones kind of in the right order. So like here is Australia right here. So I know that my next part is going to be more of the Pacific Ocean. How this one ends on the Pacific Ocean. I want the next one to be of the Pacific Ocean. But you'll just use your globe, your little mini globe, and that will help you figure out which ones go next. So then once they're all glued on there, you let it dry and it will stand up, and then you can keep it like in your living room or your room, wherever you want to put it. And you'll be able to look on here anytime you want to know where a country is. Maybe you heard of it on the news, or you read about it in a book or on the internet. And we hope that you enjoyed the book, the globe, and the project, and learn lots about the beautiful world that we live in.